Commonwealth of the Bahamas, for which it stands, one people united in love and service.
Good afternoon, students, teachers, faculty, and staff. This is our Grade 9 Homeroom Assembly by Miss Gibbs' Homeroom. Our assembly is on Diwali, and some of you may be thinking, what is Diwali? Diwali is a celebration that is titled the Festival of Lights. It's a celebration about India's greatest victories against evil spirits. In northern India, they celebrate the story of King Rama's return to Ayodhya and how he defeated Ravana by lighting rows of clay lamps. In southern India, they celebrate it as the day that Lord Krishna defeated the demon Narakasura. And in western India, the festival marks the day that Lord Vishnu, the preserver, one of many gods of the Hindu trinity, sent the demon King Bali to rule the netherworld. Though the festival is most portrayed internationally as India's wins over the evil spirits, joy over despair, and light over darkness. Some of you may be thinking, how is Diwali celebrated? The festival goes on for 5 days, this year starting on November 4th until November 9th. On the first day, people clean their homes and shop for gold or kitchen utensils to help bring good fortune. On the second day, people decorate their homes with clay lamps and create design patterns called rangoli on the floor using colored powders or sand. The rangoli pattern represents happiness, positivity, and liveliness of a household, and they are often placed outside of people's homes in order to welcome the goddess of wealth and good luck, Lakshmi. On the third day, the main festival begins. Families gather to pray to Lakshmi, and afterwards, a large feast is held. The fourth day marks the new year for any of the cultures that celebrate Diwali, but mainly the Hindus. Relatives and friends gather together with gifts and best wishes for the new year. And on the last day is when brothers see their married sisters and enjoy a lavish meal together. Who celebrates Diwali and where is it celebrated? Diwali is mainly celebrated by Hindus, Newar Buddhists, Jains, and Sikhs. All religions still follow the holiday's ideals of good versus evil. Diwali is mostly celebrated in India as a national holiday. However, many other countries around the globe, such as Singapore, Sri Lanka, Trinidad and Tobago, Nepal, and Malaysia, celebrate Diwali with the same level of celebration as India and other Hindu countries. Most countries also have Diwali as a national holiday. Is Diwali celebrated in the Bahamas? Yes, Diwali is celebrated in the Bahamas within the local Hindu community. People gather around and to have an amazing time hanging out and celebrating Diwali. The last time Diwali was celebrated in the Bahamas was in 2019. They are not currently gathered to celebrate the event once more due to COVID-19. They last gathered in the St. John's College Auditorium. Here are some quick fun facts about Diwali. As stated before, Diwali is not only celebrated by Hindus. The exact dates of Diwali are usually determined by the moon, but the dates fall between October and November. The word Diwali means rows of lights in the ancient language of India. The people honor Lakshmi in order for her to spread good fortune throughout people's homes. In the region of Bengal, the people worship Kali, the destroyer of evil forces, on the day of Diwali. Diwali is not only about legends and is more often about spending time with friends and family. For people celebrating outside of India, they gather in a mandir to send gifts and leave offerings to the deities. And finally, in the city of Leicester, United Kingdom, they hold the largest Diwali celebrations outside of India, gathering thousands of people, obviously not being able to gather more people due to COVID now. We thank you for listening to our assembly. Please, if you have any more information you'd like to know about Diwali, come to our homeroom. We'll be sure to explain lots about it.
Baby, look at me. today in this very special place called the St. Andrew's Aesthetic Art Gallery to witness the marriage between grade 11 IB Art and their IB Art themes. Do you have the rings? Can you please raise your hand? We all have our rings. And do you have the representation of your IB Art theme? Please hold that up. And it's at this point I will allow both the bridegrooms and their IB Art themes to give their vows. We'll start with Jack and then circle around.
I vow to take care and find your owner in sickness and health till death do us part, as you are lost without your iPad. I love you.
I vow to cherish and to hold my art theme of chaos forever, and to love it no matter what.
This is a very emotional time for me. I would like to take my Ivy theme of fears and phobias to have and to hold for my life until I graduate in sickness and in health under the official understanding.
If there be anyone who sees any reason for this union not to be brought together, speak now or forever hold your peace. And thank you. Kindly raise your rings and your IB Art representation. I now, with the power vested in me as the IB Art teacher, pronounce you married to your IB Art theme. You may now celebrate. You may now eat the ring talk.
Baby, hold me tight, 'cause you can make it right. You can shoot me straight to the top. Give me love and take all I got to give, baby.
Now, I'm on a boatload of sugar. I am on a sugar rush like you would not believe. But in general, my grandmother doesn't allow sweets in the house. You never know how much you miss sugar until someone takes it away from you. But when I left the house, I emptied out the change jar and spent the whole thing on chocolate bars. So I'm on a sugar rush like you. We're not. Sorry.
I'll be tough. Too much is not enough. No, I can ride your heart till it breaks. I got what it takes.
We could have done Malevolent Moguls or the Hideous Polar. Who names these things? I hate this.
Why are you so pessimistic, huh? Maybe we can do it. Maybe we can make it down this hill. Maybe we can take the light from those girls' eyes and absorb it, like osmosis. We take the energy from their smiles, and it will transform us into excellent, expert skiers. I can feel it. I feel that energy. We will make it down this hill. Say it with me. We will make it down this hill. Say it. We will make it down this hill.
We will make it down this hill.
Louder. We will make
We
it
will
down
make
this
it
hill.
down this hill.
We will conquer stinking dogface.
We will
We will
conquer
conquer
stinking.
stinking dogface. Beat dogface.
Beat
Beat
dog.
dogface.
Beat dog.
dogface.
Beat
Beat
dog
dog
face.
face.
Beat
Beat
dog.
dogface.
Woo!
All right.
I wanna live forever. I'm gonna Somebody keep telling me don't